What's up guys? So right now I'm in the garage and I'm looking at a really big beauty over here. Brand new bike actually. I'm going to show it off to you. I haven't owned any bike that's been like this before, so I'm really excited about it. But first I'm going to apologize a little bit because I've been really quiet on social media and also on YouTube. I haven't posted anything actually, except some stories on Instagram of my training and stuff. What I've been doing is really focus on my physical condition since we have not been allowed to train motocross. But now in Norway the tracks are starting to open again. Unfortunately I have a problem with my motocross bike, so needed to ship the engine to Italy to get it fixed. So in the meantime I got myself a bike here at home, a different kind of bike that I can use a little bit more all around and not only on the motocross tracks, so I think it's time to show it off for you. Take a look at this bike. Da-da-da! So it's an enduro bike, KTM 252 stroke EXC DPI. How does it look?
Perfect. Beautiful. Låser du her?
Yeah. So I know it's not a motocross bike, that's because we can use it a little bit more everywhere, and also when it's not any tracks open you can ride a little bit in the forest and stuff. And yeah, you have a little bit more freedom, and since the motocross tracks have been closed, it's better to get some time on the bike than nothing. Also I went with the 2-stroke because I've ridden 4 strokes for so long now, so just wanted a 2-stroke to have here at home to have some fun in the woods and stuff, and do some trails and enduro and different kind of challenges and get the bike feeling, you know, do some different stuff than only motos on the motocross bike and on the motocross track. It looks so good. I'm really happy with it. I need to give a big thanks to KTM Scandinavia. They really helped me to get this bike. I have bought it myself, but they were really kind to offer some support on the financial and stuff. So yeah, big shout out to those guys, and I'm so excited to try this thing out. Just now, today, it's raining like hell, so I'm not going to ride anything else than in the backyard a little bit just to test it, you know. I need to test it today. But now I need to grab some food because I've been out running for about 4 hours this morning, so I really need some food now. I'm starving. So yeah, let's go eat and then we will test the bike later. And damn, it feels good to be vlogging again. It's a long time now. Oh. So I couldn't wait to test the bike out, so I'm going out for a small ride in the backyard. Couldn't help it, but I just needed to, so let's go. Oh my god. Woohoo! Take a look at that beauty. So it's raining outside. Oh no, now it's actually not too bad, so let's start this thing up. Thing is fast. Whoa. Testing it on the pit bike track a little bit. Boom. The suspension is so soft, it's so weird. For me at least, that is used to motocross suspension. I haven't rolled down here in ages. Whoa. That's not possible, I think. So inside to get a new battery for the GoPro, then do some more riding, but I'm not going to do too much because it's a small place, also with all the traffic. With the big road everybody can see that I'm riding, so not too good, so I'm not going to ride too much. Just want to test the bike a little bit, have some fun, show you guys. I think it's running awesome, so much fun with the two-stroke, so I'm really enjoying it and I hope you are as well. Rup. Rup. Whoa! I'm destroying my pit bike track right now. So before any one of you ask me to jump this one and this one, I'm not going to do it, because this is an enduro bike, and also because of the times we are in with the coronavirus and everybody in the hospital and all the beds in the hospital are filled up. I don't want to injure myself, so I'm not going to do anything stupid like jumping this one. I would normally do it on my bike, I think like second lap, but this is a brand new bike and I haven't ridden it much before, and I just want to have fun with the like technical stuff and yeah, not injure myself, just play around a little bit, you know. I'm really digging the sound of the two-stroke, like, whoo, it's so nice. A little bit extreme enduro. I'm not an extreme enduro rider, so these ones are big enough for me. Rough. Think it's possible to drive here also. Whoa. Yeah. Wait. Oh yeah. Compared to the pit bike, those whoops right here feels like nothing. Oh, okay, when I go slow they feel like something, some bushes that were thrown out there in the ground. Oh yeah, sending the trip wall. I think I've been only in second gear all the time. Second gear. Oh, it's so much power! Bop, bop. Lowing it. Whew. So I brought this bike home today, and this is already what it looks like. So dirty. Whoops. You can tell that I had a lot of fun. So good to ride that dirt bike again. Just low it, and also it's so much fun with two-stroke. That sound, poor. Last time I rode a two-stroke was a 125. Of course, that's a little bit more RPMs and higher pitched. This one is more like rop, rop, rop. But it's also fun. So two-stroke, goddamn, be happy.